Welcome to Digital to Legal Tube. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and continue to watch this video. In this video, we are going to see 2 natural home remedies to get instant relief from dry cough and sore throat infections. These remedies will be suitable for above the age of 3 and there is no side effects. Home remedy 1. Cardamom powder with honey. Take a pinch of cardamom powder, add a teaspoon of honey and mix well like a paste. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture to get instant relief from dry cough and sore throat. Home remedy 2. Fresh lemon with honey. Take 1 glass of warm water, add a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey into a glass of warm water. Mix well and take this to get instant relief from dry cough and sore throat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends to show your support and encouragement to make more such useful videos. Thank you.